Okay, this is on distributive property. Distributive property. And notice it has the word distribute inside there. And that's what we'll do. We'll distribute a number. Okay, here's our first example. Now, hold on just one moment. Don't write anything yet. But if I have this expression, 2x plus 4. Okay, that's an expression. You cannot combine these. They are not like terms. And then I go ahead and I take this and I want to multiply it. I want to multiply it by the number 3. I want this 3 times. What we're going to do is use the distributive property. In other words, we'll take this outside number and we'll multiply it by each number inside the parentheses. So we're going to distribute the 3. This is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And there's an x. So I'm going to multiply 3 times the coefficient. Next, I multiply 3 times the constant. Now this is a positive 4. Sometimes I'll even put a circle around there, just so I know that's positive 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And this cannot be put together. These are not like terms. This is the answer. This is simplified. That's all you can do. So we're distributing the 3. Here's our next example. We're going to take 4, and we're going to distribute that to this. Now, if you notice, there is no coefficient in front of the x. From last time, you know it's the invisible one. And if you want to make it visible, you can, like that. Now we'll take the outside and we'll multiply it by everything inside. So 4 times 1 is 4, and that's an x. 4 times 3, now that's a positive 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And you cannot combine those. Because they're not like terms. So we can multiply things that aren't the same, but we cannot add them, combine them together. Okay, our next one. Two times the quantity 2x minus 3. So again, we'll take the outside times each one inside. So this 2, sometimes I'll draw arrows. 2 times 2, that's 4, so it's 4x. 2 times, now wait a minute, this is the same thing as negative 3. Minus 3 and negative 3 are the same. You'll get the same value, let's put it that way. So I have 2 times negative 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and there's 1 negative. Okay, now sometimes, let's say I have 3x plus 2, and sometimes they'll put the number on this side. That's okay. No worries. Just go ahead and you take the outside number and you distribute it 5 times 3. That's 15, so that's 15x. And then 5 times, that's a positive 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And that's all you can do. So sometimes it could be over on the right side instead of the left side. All right, and we cannot combine this anymore. These are not like terms. You cannot add these together. Yeah, we can multiply things, but we cannot add them together. Okay, the next one, number 5. 3's on the outside. Then we have negative 4x plus 2. So we're going to repeat this expression 3 times. So I'll take this, the outside, times each one inside. Now that's a -4. 3 times -4. 3 times 4 is 12. And there's one negative. Okay, then I do 3 times +2. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And they're both positive. And that's it. These are not like terms. You cannot combine those. Okay, I'm running out of the room, but if you ever run out of room, just always go back up to the top of the page and write on the other side, the right side. Okay, so number 6 example, we'll take the number -3 times 2x oops, I made a mistake. Times 2x minus 4. All right, so again, we take the outside times the inside. So I'll take -3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and there's one negative. Remember, multiplying one negative is a negative, 2 cancel. All right, over here, this is a -4, the same as -4. So -3 times -4. 3 times 4 is 12, and I'm multiplying 2 negatives. Well, they cancel. 2 negatives cancel when multiplying. And these are not like terms. This has an X, this does not. So that's all you can do. That's all you can simplify it to. Okay, number 7, we have the number -4, and we're going to distribute that to -3x minus 5. Okay, so you take -4, multiply it to this -3. 4 times 3, that's 12, excuse me. So it's 12x, and then I have 2 negatives. When multiplying, 2 negatives cancel. So it's positive 12x. Now I have -4 times, and this is -5. 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 negatives cancel when multiplying. I'm multiplying 2 negative numbers together. So it's a plus. And that's all you can do.